Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Discord and signing in. Make sure you use the same account where your activity shows. Next, click the small gear icon for user settings beside your avatar. This leads to account and privacy options. Scroll down to activity settings or registered games immediately. That is the control area that lists detected apps. Once you see it, pause, do not close the window, because the next step removes visibility of the running game from your profile. Now you will turn off the specific game visibility option. Find and toggle off display currently running game as a status. You do this because Discord reads running processes and posts that as your activity. Turning it off stops automatic sharing. If games are listed under registered games, remove them by clicking the X or remove button so they won't reappear. Once done, restart Discord to ensure settings apply across desktop and mobile. This forces the client to refresh its presence data. To finish, verify your profile and server friends see no playing status. Set your status to invisible or a custom message to confirm. If activity still appears, inspect third-party overlays, game launchers, or apps linked to Discord. These can report activity independently. If problems persist, clear Discord cache or uninstall and reinstall the app. Make sure you log out and back in so settings reapply. If you need one tip, check for game overlays like Steam or NVIDIA Shadowplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.